In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a tank in GTA 5. So as you can see, I'm just gonna activate the tank. I will show you how to do all of this. So I'm just gonna open the mod and go here to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, and down here all the way to where it says military, and then here I'm gonna go all the way to Rhino. As you can see, I have the tank. So I will show you exactly how to download this mod that allows you to have a tank and how to activate it. So first I'm just gonna leave this game here and I'm just gonna turn it off right here and end task. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is go here and open up a Chrome like this one, and then you want to type in, let me just close this. Now you want to type in menu mod, so click on the first one, download it, then after it downloads go to a different website, script hook v, go to this website, go here and now go down and click on download. It's gonna download over here. So after you download these two folders, you want to go to your GTA folder. So if you go here, click manage installations, you're gonna get this GTA folder. So make sure you have it open, and then you want to open your downloads. So over here, let me just delete the extra files over here. I'm just gonna keep these ones, and I'm just gonna put this side by side. So first open the menu mod that you downloaded, then you want to copy menu stuff and money menu.asi, copy both of them and just paste them inside of your GTA folder. After this, you just want to go to script hook v and go to bin, copy all the DLL folders, and then you want to copy them like this and just paste them in your GTA folder. After this, you're pretty much done here. And if you launch your GTA, you want to make sure before you launch GTA in Epic Games, go to manage and make sure you have launch options turned on, and write this down, dash no battle I. This is very important. So after you write this down, you can just launch the game. Okay guys, so after I have launched GTA over here, as you can see, to activate the mod and spawn your tank, you just click on F8. You're gonna get this menu, go down here, click vehicle options, vehicle spawner, and down all the way to military. This is military, and then go down until you find the Rhino tank and spawn it. And just to disable, like close the menu mod, just click F8 again, and there you go. Now you have your tank, and you can basically like easily spawn it anytime you want. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.